Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the 10 biggest attraction mistakes people make. These are mistakes that I've seen people make time and time again, and they can really hurt your chances of attracting the person you want. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1, not being confident. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. If you're not confident, it will show, and people will be turned off. So make sure you project confidence, even if you don't feel it. Mistake number 2, being too needy. No one wants to be with someone who is constantly needy and demanding. If you're always asking for attention or reassurance, it will drive people away. So learn to be comfortable with yourself and your own company. Mistake number 3, trying too hard. When you're trying too hard, it shows. People can sense when you're being desperate, and it's a major turnoff. So relax and let things happen naturally. Mistake number 4, not being yourself. The best way to attract someone is to be yourself. If you try to be someone you're not, people will be able to tell, and they'll be turned off. So be authentic and let your true colors shine through. Mistake number 5, not taking care of yourself. If you want to attract someone, you need to take care of yourself. This means eating healthy, exercising, and dressing well. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will shine through. Mistake number 6, being negative. No one wants to be around someone who is always negative. If you're constantly complaining and putting others down, people will start to avoid you. So focus on the positive and be someone who brings people up. Mistake number 7, not being a good listener. One of the most important things in a relationship is communication. And one of the best ways to communicate is to be a good listener. When you take the time to listen to someone, it shows that you care about them and what they have to say. Mistake number 8, being too critical. Everyone makes mistakes. If you're constantly criticizing someone, it will make them feel bad about themselves. So learn to be more forgiving and accepting. Mistake number 9, not being interesting. If you want to attract someone, you need to be interesting. This means having things to talk about and being able to hold a conversation. So get out there and experience new things. The more you do, the more you'll have to talk about it. Mistake number 10, giving up too easily. If you don't get what you want right away, it's easy to give up. But if you really want something, you need to keep trying. So don't give up on your dreams. Keep working hard, and eventually you'll achieve them. So those are the 10 biggest attraction mistakes people make. If you can avoid these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to attracting the person you want. Thanks for watching.